Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial we're going to show you how you can drop a pin in the Waze application. So let's get started. Alright, so doing this is actually fairly simple. Simply head over to the live map of Waze.com, be logged into your account of course. If you don't know how to access the live map, guys, let's say you're in the map editor, simply click on this button here in the top right corner on the profile icon and select the live map from that drop down menu. And here inside the live map, simply take a look at the text box here in the top left corner, driving directions, and select your starting point or destination. With your left mouse, type in, for example, a location. So let me type in A just for this demonstration purposes and select a suggestion from that list below. Just like that. And after that, Waze will navigate to the given location and automatically place a pin just like that, so that I, for example, click off and click on another location just like that. The pin will still be there, and if I double click on the given pin, Waze will automatically center to that or navigate and center to that location again. So that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.